If you're researching before buying and searching for a working Hostinger coupon code, here's a clear and honest Hostinger review. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll receive an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostinger review, the strengths are straightforward: fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which simplifies website creation without extra tools. If prices aren't displayed in your local currency, simply click the flag icon in the top right corner and choose your country. The pricing updates instantly. When you evaluate speed, features, and overall value, Hostinger is often recognized as one of the best web hosting platforms. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.